So when we talk about our customers, we have manufacturing companies with labor shortages. So how can we optimize that route and make best use of their time? Our banks, even for me today, which is still ridiculous, smaller banks still trying to understand the customer, right? How many times do you still get, I know I have, and it's unfortunate, been banking with a particular bank for over 20 years, and I still say, hey, would you like a new toaster if you open up a savings account? Like, I have a lot of accounts with you. Why am I receiving this information? So know your customer. And we have retail customers with razor thin margins and trying to figure out, and forecast what's going to go on the shelves. And today's models in the big world, they're plus minus 20%, but we can use data and AI to shrink that forecast probability, down to 10%. And that's a huge lift to a net profit for our mid-market customers. And that at the end of the day is why the mid-market is a sweet spot, because we can be along with the journey and move the needle and have an impact.